What's good? Today we're gonna put some coilovers on this turd of a TSX. Right here. Show you real quick how it looks. How it's sitting. We're gonna put these coilovers right here. Can you open the box out real quick, son? Show you how it sits. These are some Rev9. We put them before on the Mazda 3. The same one, well, same brand. There you go, Rev9. We'll unwrap it later when we're about to install it. So yeah, I'll just start recording when you guys lift this up and start actually putting it on. So, but that's how it sits. Look at the fitment so far. That's how it sits. I said, look at the fitment so far. Whack. Are you gonna go lower than that? We're gonna see right now. Alright, you can start taking off anything you want. Yo, let me see how it looks.
I will mention something on the video.
What? That the trash?
Coilovers, you never adjust this. This part right here is always the bottom.
That's just for height, the bottom.
Yeah, that's where you do the height and shit.
And the top is for a preload, right?
That's the preload. But if you fuck up the preload, you can blow the shock right away.
You heard the man. Don't fuck with your preload unless you know what you're doing.
I think the front ones will be different than the back ones, so.
See what we got in here. Fakes come too. You didn't tell me this was a Tesla, Oliver?
And I just measured to see if it's like...
Exactly the inches.
Right there.
I got luck not touching them.
Whose dick am I sucking?
Yo, everybody looking around. Parts?
Jam that bad boy in there. You need some help here or no? Oh, you guapo like that, bro? You want me to screw up the nuts or something?
I got you.
Hey, yo, what you mean by that?
I say no.
I say no. It's too late for that. You got it by yourself, right? Let's see. You got it by yourself, Kevin?
Dame los otros. Where's the other one? I need to know.
You guys are fucking good.
These are smaller ones.
Does it matter?
It does. These are bigger.
That's what she said.
The fuck?
Se ve Q ahí adentro.
Hey, David, what the fuck?
What happened? Oh, I thought it was part of the coilover install. Check it out. They finished the coilovers. We didn't do the like an in-depth video, but that's how it looks lowered. Ooh, so here real quick. Ooh, he has different wheels. He's gonna put them on. Yeah, look at that. Tesla. Rice. Euro.
If you guys will ask, this does come off.
Yeah, this thing does come off, so you could just use it. But this is basically the end of the video. But I'm gonna call my brother. This is my brother's car. I'm gonna call my brother later on when he goes back home. I'm gonna put him on the phone. I'm gonna record to see what he thinks about the coilovers before I end the whole video. It had a lot of drips. Wait, I think you can see it from right there. This was a drip. It looks like a freaking nutsack. But we're gonna do it with film primer and sandable primer. So we're gonna see how it comes out. And after that, we're gonna paint it with the actual gun. We ended up fiberglass in a couple spots because it had like cracks everywhere. We're gonna sand that down right now. Gonna sand all this down, all that fiberglass, make it smooth, primer it again, and then we're gonna actually paint it. So yeah, safety first, boys. Come on. We simmered down most of it. I have the mask on, so that's why I sound like a fucking robot. There you go. Flip it over. There you go. We're about to primer. We're about to primer it again, then wet sand it, and then paint it. So I'll do a time lapse when we primer it again. So yeah.
Yo! Basically, it was.
Give the camera a little kiss.
Como la palabra de no.
Can't see over here.
Give me all the water cup.
Diablo, qué aguacero.
Get a close up on this bad boy. You a dinosaur over there, yo?
No, this.
Just pterodactyl. I can't look.
Maldita sea.
Oh my God.
Por aquí. La tapa está ahí.
My finger in it?
Espérate.
You think I'm a squirrel, right?
No, you have a fan on.
Watch out. This is how it looks after what? All the coats that we did. We're gonna clear coat it next, which is right now. That's how it looks. Look at all the pearls. Yo, this fucking mask, I'm gonna kill somebody. Give me a second. Alright, where are we? That's how it looks after all the coats that we did. I think we did 3 or 4 of them. That's the, let me zoom it in so I won't hit the paint. All the little sparklies, can you see it? You can't really tell. Yeah, you can see it. So we're gonna clear coat it right now. Came out decent, you feel me? Look at that bad boy. Sheesh. We're gonna clear coat it and it should look glossy as hell after this, so. First pass of clear. Can't really see it though good here. So you can't really see it that good to clear here.
Probably in the back you could.
There you go with the loss. So you see that? Come for the camera. Can't really tell. Only way you can tell is in the sunlight. Let me see. Can you tell? Trust us, it's clear, okay? Fuck.
Trust is clear.
Yeah, because you can't really tell. You can tell a little bit. We're gonna have to buff it out, West Ham and buff it, but I don't see no. Yeah, you can see the clear a little bit. It's a little bit glossier. Over here, it's gonna be Jesus to buff it. But yeah, not bad. Oh, you can see right there. Look at the clear right there. You can see how glossy it looks right there. We're gonna do like 2 more coats or 1 more coat, and that's it. Looks good though so far. Second coat of clear. Oh shit! Look at that bad boy glistening. You still can't tell, but you know. You still can't tell, but it just looks super glossy. That's it. Woo! Alright. That is the last coat. Looking gorgeous. For a dude that don't know how to paint, came out beautiful. I'm gonna show you how it looks tomorrow when it's dry. Cause you can't really tell unless it hits the sun. So yeah, I'll record tomorrow. The next day, that's how it came out. Oof. We're gonna put it in the sun right now. Go over there. Oof. She look beautiful. Alright, let's see this right here. See all the imperfections. On the camera, she looks brand new. Yo. Get something to put it right there in the middle. But get the freaking ball. Kevin, come on. That's how I came out. Look at that, right on the sun. Whew. Yo, David's a professional. See how it looks. Ooh, the sun is hitting it more over here. Yikes. Let me do a little bit of cinematics real quick. Yeah, all this needs is a little bit of wet sand and a little bit of buff. But my brother might just leave it like that, who knows. Yeah, I guess. But it came out pretty decent. I mean, on the camera it looks better than what it really is, but you know, the magic of YouTube. Like right there you can see a little bit of, slight little bit of orange peel. Wait, can you see it? Yeah. I mean, the spoiler had imperfections already, so you'll see like that little dent thing right there. You see it? Right there and over here. That was already there. So, just saying. That wasn't me. That was just a spoiler. It looks beautiful though.
So this is how the car sits right now with the painted spoiler and the coilovers installed. He's gonna go a little bit lower after he installs his other wheels, but the car looks good. The paint matched perfectly with the car. And this is just my brother recording the car, doing a little walk around. I'm just talking over it. But I wanted to do some cinematics to the car, but he doesn't live close to me. So before I end the video, I'm gonna call him up and ask him how the coilovers feel through the phone. Well, I'm gonna call him through the phone. So yeah, next clip will be just me calling him on the phone. So yeah.
Hey, you.
Yo, pussy.
What's going on, bro?
I forgot to ask you. How did the coil? Oh my goodness, how did the coilovers ride?
It rides good, but the thing is, I need to put them a little more stiffer.
So what? They're like a little bit bouncy.
It's a little bit bouncy, but it's pretty good. The only reason I want to put them a little stiffer because when I hit like a pothole or I hit like a divot, whatever you want to call that, like a little.
Yeah.
It hits sometimes, all the time.
It hits like hard,
So
right?
it goes in, a bump comes out.
Yeah,
A
that.
pothole is a little poop. I'm talking about like a little divot that you go.
Yeah, I know. I know what you mean. That's why I told you to put them all the way hard. Pause.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that. And the back ones, the back ones are fine. It never hits in the back. It's always in the front.
Yeah, obviously
So I
because the
can,
motor's
I can stiffen up the front ones easily.
So you think if you stiffen them up, it'll be good?
I'll let you know how they're gonna. I can put them on right now when I get home.
So far right now though, they drive good.
They drive smooth. I went through corners like flying, like 80 miles, 60 miles an hour.
Oh, okay, speed racer, calm down. So you think
It was slower than that.
You-
The right height immediately goes down. You can't put it higher than that. That's the highest it goes, I think Kevin said.
the highest ride height?
I think that's the highest it goes.
Bueno. All right.
It's gonna be lowered regardless.
So you think you'll recommend it then?
Yo, what?
You'll recommend it then?
Yeah, I would. Why not?
All right, I'm just making sure. I only had the freaking CX Racing ones. So get it?
I would.
All right.
Why not? It's good for them, how much they are.
All right, potato.
Alright, yo.
All right, deuces. Well, there you go, folks. He said that it's worth it. If you guys want to cop the same exact coilovers he got, I'll leave the link in the description below. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more. And yeah, peace.
Run this shit, I'm lapping on, yeah, even on a snow day. Where I'm from, the block get high, yeah, even on a snow day. King of the hill, I'm so hang, so you know